Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs. We have a 2014 Lincoln MKZ. It has a 2.0 turbo, 85,000 miles on it. We just serviced it. New battery. See here a little bit of a scuff. Try to point out any imperfections. New battery, fresh oil change. Drives really well. Tires are in good shape. Overall, the body is in great shape. Really sharp car, very comfortable. Here are the back seats here. Definitely a sleek design too. You can see. We'll go ahead and start her up. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout, 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any Lincoln or Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, Cadillac, we definitely work on luxury, foreign, and domestic vehicles. Definitely give us a holler for our repair shop. Thanks for checking out our video.